Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you own a Land Rover or Range Rover, you know how important it is to stay on top of your vehicle's maintenance and prevent small issues from becoming big problems. Today I'm going to show you why having a code reader is a great way to keep an eye on your vehicle's health, diagnose any potential issues and save yourself time and money down the road. Now there are a lot of OBD readers out there on the market that will do the job, but I chose this one, the ANCEL LD700. It's affordable, reliable and packed with features. However, feel free to explore other options if you prefer, as many of them can offer similar functionality. So, why should you have a code reader for your Land Rover or Range Rover? Let's break it down. Every time you have an issue with your vehicle or check engine light comes on, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to need to rush down to a dealer or mechanic. With a code reader like this, you can quickly pull up fault codes yourself and understand what's going on. Let me plug it in and show you how it works. All I need to do is plug it in under the dashboard, and in a few seconds the reader starts communicating with the vehicle's onboard system and pulls up the diagnostics codes. The reason I opted for this code reader is because it's specifically designed for Land Rover and Jaguar vehicles, offering specialised diagnostics and maintenance capabilities that are tailored to those brands. It provides a comprehensive range of features, including engine system diagnostics, transmission system troubleshooting, airbag system monitoring, anti-lock braking system error clearing, battery system evaluation, diesel particulate filter management, oil system resetting and immobilizer system control. Additionally, it offers over 14 maintenance and reset services such as oil reset, throttle adaptation, battery monitoring system reset, battery registration, electronic brake reset, tyre pressure monitoring system reset, steering angle sensor calibration, anti-lock braking system bleeding, exhaust gas recirculation reset, diesel particulate filter regeneration, injector code and suspension calibration, and transmission learning. This specialized tool ensures you can maintain your vehicle's performance and address critical maintenance needs effortlessly. So whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or just want to avoid expensive trips to the mechanic, a code reader like this is a must-have for any Land Rover or Range Rover owner. It's affordable, easy to use, and gives you control over your vehicle's health and maintenance. I'll leave a link in the description below in case you're interested in getting one for yourself. But please be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.